Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Paint 3D is not working properly on your Windows 10 computer. So this can definitely be an annoying issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the Apps tile. Under Apps and Features, go ahead and locate Paint, or you can go ahead and search this list, wherever you prefer. Just go ahead and left click on that and select where it says Advanced Options. Scroll down, and where it says Reset, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select the Reset button. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. And once you have a check mark next to the reset button, you should be good to go. I would recommend restarting your computer, and then hopefully that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.